With eyes that look like they've seen the weight of the world, ears that drape elegantly to the floor, and a body that sits incredibly close to the ground, the Basset Hound is an instant crowd pleaser. They are global cultural icons, from the face of Hush Puppy's shoes to beloved cartoon characters like Droopy. But is living with a Basset Hound just about lounging on porches and laughing at their clumsy antics? Or does their history as a relentless French scent hound mean they possess a stubborn streak and a powerful drive? Today, on the Doggo Zone, we are diving deep into the world of the Basset Hound. Chapter 1. The Monks and the Hunt. The name Basset comes from the French word basse, meaning low. Their lineage dates back to 6th century France, where monks at the Abbey of Saint-Hubert bred a low-slung, slow-moving scent hound. The monks needed a dog that could track game at a walking pace, so hunters could follow easily on foot. After the French Revolution, these companions became popular among common folk who couldn't afford horses, but still needed to hunt for food. Chapter 2. Designed by nature. Every unusual feature on a Basset Hound's body serves a brilliant, highly functional purpose. As the Basset walks with its nose to the ground, its long ears drag along the grass, acting as scent scoops. The heavy wrinkles around their face and neck help trap and hold scent particles close to their nose. Their short, heavy legs keep their nose close to the earth, providing stability to push through thick brush. The white-tipped tail acted as a flag, allowing hunters to spot the dog deep inside tall grass or briars. Chapter 3. Temperament. Their mournful expression hides a fiercely independent spirit. They are gentle, but profoundly stubborn. When they catch a scent, their brain shuts off to everything else, including your commands. It's nose over voice every time. Basset Hounds possess a deep, resonant, howling bay that can echo for blocks, essential for hunting, but loud for apartments. They love to snooze for hours, but they still require daily walks to prevent obesity, which is dangerous for their frame. Chapter 4. Maintenance. Owning a Basset is a messy adventure. Because their ears drag, they are prone to infections. Their loose jowls mean water and saliva escape easily. You will be wiping their face regularly. Walking them is an investigative safari. Always keep them on a leash, or they will follow a rabbit and get lost. Chapter 5. Health and vital care. To protect their long backs, discourage jumping off couches, use pet ramps instead. Obesity is the #1 enemy. Strict portion control is vital to avoid stress on their spine and joints. Their droopy eyes can suffer from eyelid issues like cherry eye, which may require veterinary care. The Basset Hound is a masterpiece of historical engineering wrapped in a peaceful, loving package. If you want a loyal companion with a heart of gold, the Basset Hound will capture your soul. Just be prepared to share your couch and follow their nose wherever it leads.